What if I told you that machines can now learn faster than humans? Here's how AI actually works.
I'm Samantha, and I've spent 20 years building AI systems. Today, let's decode AI in under a minute.
AI isn't magic. It's pattern recognition on steroids. Think of a chatbot that gets smarter with every conversation, learning from thousands of interactions to give you better answers. AI learns three ways. Supervised learning, like showing it cats and dogs until it recognizes both. Unsupervised learning finds hidden patterns in data. And reinforcement learning? That's trial and error, like teaching a game-playing bot through wins and losses. Behind every AI breakthrough, Python. Its libraries like Pandas and TensorFlow make complex data analysis as simple as writing English.
One line of code can analyze millions of data points.
From virtual assistants to medical diagnostics, artificial intelligence is reshaping the world by finding patterns we'd never see. The future isn't about replacing humans, it's about amplifying human intelligence. Want to dive deeper into artificial intelligence? Hit subscribe for more science breakdowns that make complex topics crystal clear.